Hi and welcome to CarProductsTested.com. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Pure Highway 600 digital radio adapter with Bluetooth music and hands-free. This is the top of the range. Pure do a Highway 200, a Highway 400 and a Highway 600. Check out the Pure website. I'll put a link to that in the description below and on the screen as well. So what do you get in here? This is the DAB or digital radio adapter for your car, obviously, if you've not got that. It's an older model. It's also got Bluetooth, hands-free mobile calling. It's got music streaming and control for Bluetooth. And it's got some really cool features on, actually. It's got an identify music and create playlist feature. Basically, if you're listening to a track, you just press this button here and that will automatically tell you the track and then find it for you on Spotify and save it to your playlist, which is really cool. Another feature that I like, it's got the active smartphone voice assist, so if you wanted to find a restaurant or input some controls, some directions, to where you were going, say to a restaurant or wherever, you'd be able to do that. So yeah, the box is actually, it's a really nice presented box, nice thick. It's got a 3-year warranty as well. So let's open it and show you what you get. Okay, instructions for this particular model, the Highway 600. By the way, this is £160, this model. So this is the actual, I'm guessing this is the actual, yeah, this is the actual system here. Let's just make sure that's focused. Yeah, so it's obviously still covered in the protective film. And this one takes batteries, it's not wired directly into your car. I'm guessing these are going to last a long time because all it's doing is putting a display up there. So let's put that down there. Just make sure that's, yep, get that out of the way. Digital microphone. So obviously this is the top of the range one. Some batteries. And these are AAA's, by the way. So, yeah. You can fit an auxiliary cord into the car if you want to. If you have an auxiliary port, I don't have an auxiliary port, so I'm going to use the FM transmitter. This is the aerial for your DAB, and that just goes on the windscreen. Quite easy to fit. Again, there's a video online if you go to the Pure website that will show you the instruction video on how to fit all of this. And you've got an adapter that'll plug into your lighter. Not quite sure what that's for yet, but this is for sticking the DAB aerial to your windscreen. It's a screen clean. This is for running the cable for your aerial DAB aerial down the side of the A-pillar if you want to do that, rather than running it inside the A-pillar. I'm going to run it inside simply because it looks a lot nicer. But handily, you do get little clips. Say if you don't, if you've got a really old car with you know, just a sort of metal framework on the A-pillar, that's handy. You've got a mount for the system which just sticks to it, and then you just mount it wherever. It's a 3M. I'm sorry, you'd fit it that way, obviously. Let's open that up. I like the fact that the bags, you don't have to rip them all open or anything like that. It's actually quite nice not having to do that for once. This is just a 3M sticky back pad by the look of it, or 3M type sticky back pad. And then that just slots into here like that. So actually that's great because you can remove that, you know. Obviously I won't be leaving this out Some flipping douchebag criminal will try to steal it, no doubt. And then what is this? Oh, this is part of the aerial for the DAB system that actually just goes into this for the Bluetooth. Sorry, for the digital radio. Yeah, so that's everything. So it's a bit of a mess. So this is really simple system to fit. You get instructions on the Pure website on how to fit it. By the looks of it, it shouldn't take me more than about 20 minutes at the most. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the actual review of the system on this channel, and please subscribe to Car Products Tested, and check out carproductstested.com where the written review will be. Thanks guys.